Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. In this case here, I'm going to introduce you this device. This is the NIKYPJ ultrasonic or ultrasound nebulizer JM-06801. This device here is an inhaler. Quiet, portable inhaler for adults and children. It is USB rechargeable with 2 masks and 1 mouthpiece. It is the NIKYPJ nebulizer, which can quickly nebulize solutions. It produces particles between 1 up to 5 micrometers that accurately reach the different parts of the respiratory tract and areas. It also has 2 speed modes, more than 0.25 milliliter per minute for children and over 0.4 milliliter per minute for adults, which correspond to human physiology. The nebulizer works almost silently and efficiently relieves children's fears. We can use it at any time and anywhere, be it in a quiet office or next to a sleeping child. And the newly upgraded unique features of the inhaler ensures that the interior is thoroughly cleaned without leaving any residues, preventing mixing of different medications and making it safer and more hygienic to use. And the inhaler set contains 3 different masks to meet the needs of different medications and family members. Together with the automatic cleaning function, it is just perfect. The set included a USB-C charging cable that allows us to connect it to various devices for charging. We can connect it to the power bank, for example, car or laptop, or USB port, an AC adapter of your smartphone, and so on. After fully recharged, it can be used continuously for 2 hours. That's a long period, I think. An inhaler, a puffer, an asthma pump, or an allergy spray is a medical device used to delivering medicine into the lungs through the work of a personal breathing. This allows the medicines to be delivered to an absorbed in the lungs, which provides the ability for targeted medical treatment to the specification regions of the body, as well as reduction in the side effect of oral medications. There are a wide variety of inhalers on the market, and this here is an ultrasound nebulizer, so it works really silent, and that's a cool fact, of course. The purpose of the use are easy. The product is designed for nebulization of liquid medications for inhalation by the patient. The device can be used at home, in hospitals, and subacute care for by children and adult patients. The indication is nebulization treatment. The patient group is adult and children, so it's possible to use on every human out there. The intended users are professional medical personnel and patients under their guidance. And the contraindications, the product must not be used in conjunction with pentamidine. We have a 5-volt power supply. The input power is 5 watt. The nebulization rate is in different levels available. Nearly 0.35 milliliter up to 0.1 milliliter per minute. The noise is lower than 25 decibel. Wow, that's really quiet, and you can use it really quiet. The device itself has a potion cap cover, a potion cap itself on the top, which we can disassemble and assemble back on the body. We have a charging interface, USB-C. We have a different mouthpiece and a mask for adults and a mask for children included. And it's really easy to assemble this. We install the medication cap on the main unit by sliding it toward the main unit. When attaching the medication cap to the main unit, we ensure it is properly positioned until a clicking sound is heard. Otherwise, there may be failure in the electronic connection. To remove the medical cap from the main unit, we press and hold the release button on the main, and we slide the medication group cap away from the main unit. To avoid damaging the device, we should press the release button first when removing the medical cap, of course. To operate with that thing here is quite really easy, okay? We install the medication cap onto the main unit by sliding it over the main unit. We open the cap lid and transfer the medication into the medication cup. Before using any pharmaceutical products or medications, we should consult our doctor to ensure that we are using the product correctly. We do not use the medication with high concentrations, high viscosity, oil medications, suspended or volatile liquid medications, as this can lead to the abnormal attenuation. It is recommended to exceed the capacity of the medical cup. When the medical cup is filled with medication, we make sure that to cover it with the lid to prevent the leakage. The maximum capacity is 8 milliliter. Then we install the medical cap onto the main unit. We assemble the mask, and then we can start with it. We turn on by press the power button briefly to turn the device on. The indication will light up white, and the device will start nebulizing. Then we can make a mode switch. The device has operation modes: level 1, level 2, and the self-cleaning mode. Level 1 is the high nebulization rate mode, and the level 2 is the low nebulization mode. By briefly pressing the power button, the patient can be switched between 1 and 2, depending on the actual treatment needs. Then we go to inhalation. We hold the device in our hand, put the mask on, slowly inhale the medication first. And if we like to make the self-cleaning mode, we press and hold the mode button for 5 seconds and start the cleaning function. The mist will be sprayed in the form of a pulse of 15 seconds, after which the device will turn off. Job's done. It's really easy as you can how to operate this. And to clean this, you can clean it not in the dishwasher or something else. Clean it with a liquid, which will sterilization's proposer for kill the bacteria and viruses on it, of course. And then we can have a good and nice life. For a better life, maybe we are sick or something, use an inhaler to make the lungs feel much better. Or you have problems. The problems can be asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD for you. This being among the most notable things to use an inhaler. And all these parts and issues can be fixed or can be made better for you if you use an inhaler. And if you use this ultrasound nebulizer, it is really cool because you can be use it mobile, because there is a built-in battery which you can reload by using USB-C, and then you can make it use every day. This is really cool, and this is the NIKYPJ ultrasound nebulizer JM06081. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.